How to handle fraudulent transactions on your Santander credit card. If you suspect that your Santander credit card has been used for a fraudulent transaction, it is essential to act quickly to minimize any potential damage. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to handle fraudulent transactions on your Santander credit card. First, review your account statement regularly to detect any suspicious activity. Check for any transactions that you do not recognize, including small transactions that may be used as a test to see if the card is active. Next, contact Santander customer service immediately if you notice any suspicious activity on your account. You can reach them by calling the number on the back of your card or visiting their website. Be prepared to provide your account information and details about the suspicious transaction. When you contact Santander, they will guide you through the process of reporting the fraudulent transaction and initiating an investigation. You may be asked to provide additional information, such as the date and amount of the transaction, and a description of the item or service purchased. Santander has a zero liability policy, which means that you will not be held responsible for any unauthorized transactions on your account. However, it is still important to act quickly to prevent any further unauthorized activity. To prevent future fraudulent transactions, make sure to monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions immediately. You can also set up account alerts to notify you of any large or unusual transactions. Additionally, consider using two-factor authentication and keeping your account information and password confidential to prevent unauthorized access to your account. By following these steps and taking proactive measures to protect your account, you can help to prevent fraudulent transactions and minimize any potential damage.